Welcome to CAD Voyager. Hi friends, I have a good news for you. We have published a book in Amazon Kindle, book title Autolist Basics. This is going to be very useful for job seekers, students and working professionals. This is freely available for Kindle subscribers, so please make use of it. We have also given the Amazon link on description. Today we are going to see what is the use of the point command in AutoCAD. There are three commands to generate point in AutoCAD. Command 1 point, 2 divide and other is measure. We can access these commands in the draw toolbar or otherwise you can use the command shortcut. First we are going to see about point command. The command shortcut for point command is PO. First type PO and press enter. Then it will ask to specify a point. After specifying a point will be generated in the point you specified. In this way, you can draw as many points as you need. Next, we are going to see about divide command. The command shortcut for divide is div. Type div in command line and press enter. Now, it will ask to select object to divide. Now, I am selecting the line. Then, it asks to enter the number of segments. Here, I am entering as 5. Now, 4 points will be generated and the object is divided into 5 equal parts. If the selected object is open object, then the found point will be n-1. If the selected object is closed, then n number of points will be generated. Here I have mentioned number of segment as n. Now we have used points to divide the object. We can also use blocks to divide the object. Let's see how to do that. First, we must specify a block or we can define a block. I have already defined a block. First, type div in command line and press enter. Then it asks to select the object to divide. Now I am selecting this closed polyline object. Now in the displayed option, you can choose the block or type B and press enter. Now it asks to enter the name of the block to be inserted. I have already defined a block M16, so I am entering M16 in this place. Now it is asking align block with object, yes or no. The default option will be yes. If you press enter directly, it will choose yes and it will align with the object. Now it is asking to enter the number of segment. I am entering 10 for this. So it will generate 10 points and the object will be divided into 10 equal segments. You can see that the blocks are aligned with the object. Now I am copying these two objects. Now we are going to see how to use the measure option to divide the object in equal parts. First type ME and press enter. Now it will ask select object to measure. Select the line object. Then it will ask the length of the segment. Length can be any value below the length of the selected object. I have entered 100 for this value. Now the points are generated in 100 mm distance throughout the line object. Now we are going to see how to divide the object with the help of measure by inserting blocks. For that, first type ME in command line and click on enter. Then it asks to specify the object to measure. Now I am choosing this polyline object. Now it is asking to specify the length of the segment or block. Now I am choosing block or type B and press enter. Now it is asking for block name to be inserted. Already I have defined M16. Now I am entering M16 in this place. In the next option, it will ask Align block with the object, yes or no. Last time we have given yes, this time we are going to give no, so that we can see the difference with alignment and without alignment. Now it asks to specify the length of the segment. Here I have entered the value 500. Now this polyline object is divided into many segments in the distance of 500 mm. Here the blocks are not aligned with the object. In this one, all the blocks are inserted in 0 degree only, but with the line, the blocks are inserted in various angle according to the object's alignment. Divide and measure. These two commands are very important command. These commands are definitely going to reduce your time. These are all about the points. Let's meet in another topic. Please like our video if you find it helpful. Share with your friends who are interested in learning AutoCAD. And if you have any doubt regarding this video, please comment it. Subscribe our channel to get the regular updates. Thank you.